That was fun.
forgot it has wheels.
Lol.
Town has become one of those kids. You know when he says lol, he means LOL.
Yeah.
There.
Thank you for your help. Kind sir.
There's that difference. Huh.
I don't know about beautiful. It's there.
Hey, you have opportunities, real tree, fake tree, or a new fake tree.
You want to spend money on a fake tree? We use once a year.
We've been using this one for almost a few years. Like 4 almost.
I know, Mom doesn't like this tree.
Really?
Which is why I'm going down.
I swear I like it.
Oh, you
What is
swear?
that? What is that?
The bag's disintegrating.
Oh.
So it's covered in red pit now. Red powder over here.
I didn't know that happens. You make it all look bad. Oh crap. Hey, don't be grumpy.
Not grumpy.
Yes, you are.
Huh?
Yes,
you are.
he is.
Christmas spirit. What Christmas spirit are you?
You may be a little moody.
That's fine after I ate.
Do you think I got it all?
I mean, I got kind of moody when I opened it up and realized there's red powder all over it.
Yeah, that kind of scared me. I was gonna say, oh man.
So,
Yeah.
'cause it's powder. It's like dye from what it looks like. My hands are red. It might be blue. I don't know.
You're secretly hoping it's one, aren't you?
Yes. I'd rather just go outside doing it. I put that on the road, to be honest with you. Like, for real, like, if you want to go set that on the road right now, don't do that.
He's trying to shake the red stuff off.
You're going to go set it on the road. Put the metal on.
Lift it up for help. Ooh, what? Ah,
An ornament.
ornament break.
I don't know, cats took out a few of them last year. Sally and Jack, mainly Jack.
Yeah. I knew that.
This cleaned off. That's now it's a red pine.
Okay, the first piece.
Is this the bottom piece?
No, this is. It's this one. But biggest to smallest is what it's doing. Wow, you too busy.
Okay.
I'm telling him tomorrow. Telling him today. Tomorrow.
Wait. Why is our last not doing that? What? Oh. Wait.
Oh.
Oh,
Pull it out.
I will.
you see his tooth?
Mm-hmm. Oh, you can hear it. Shake your head, Aiden. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just pull it. It's not even attached by anything.
Babe. This part's out. Done. You pulled it?
Go ahead and quit.
What? It's growing. I got one more tooth.
No more teeth. I got one more tooth. And then I don't have to lose anymore. I got these teeth, and then my wisdom. I'm bigger.
So it could be one bowl.
Y'all can just hand me it.
Hey, you need to get down.
I was just trying to.
I know, but you need to get down. Baby, right now there's no lights on the bottom, so we gotta figure out why. So how the heck are you supposed to check? And how the heck do you remember which one you checked?
Good morning to you. Trust me, it's old, so that's mine. It's like 5 years old.